Welcome to Soft Play World, where imagination comes to life and adventure knows no bounds. Step into a world of endless fun and excitement with our custom-built indoor playground equipment designed to delight and inspire children of all ages. Introducing Soft Play World, where every corner is a new discovery. From the soft and safe Royal Indoor Eva mat to the whimsical elephant rocker, the challenging Royal Piano Climber, the exhilarating Royal Indoor Slide, and the colorful ball pool standard filled with vibrant bowls, there's something for every child to explore and enjoy. But what truly sets Soft Play World apart is its dedication to safety and quality. Each piece of equipment is crafted with care and precision, using durable materials to ensure a secure and enjoyable play experience for all. Picture the laughter and excitement as children romp and tumble on the Royal Indoor Eva mat, rock back and forth on the elephant rocker, scale the heights of the Royal Piano Climber, swoosh down the Royal Indoor Slide, and dive into the ball pool STD, surrounded by a sea of colorful balls. With every play session, they're not just having fun, they're building friendships, developing coordination, and fostering creativity. And with customizable features available, you can create the perfect indoor playground tailored to your space and preferences, whether it's in a daycare, play center, or home playroom. So, whether they're rolling, rocking, climbing, sliding, or diving, Soft Play World promises endless hours of fun and unforgettable memories for children and families alike. Experience the wonder of Soft Play World. Because when it comes to fun, the possibilities are limitless.